Alright, you guys, it's Monday. I needed some motivation. I'm watching some cleaning videos, and I'm going to tackle this ginormous mess I've got going on here in my living room. So I've made some significant progress in here. I got laundry going, got my vacuuming done. I need to bust out my steam mop and steam mop this floor because it's really, really gross. But this is like crunch time for me. My husband and my kids are going to be off all next week. So they're going to be home with me, which means I have got to get everything done this week while I can. Let me sit down and talk to you guys for a second. So, in addition to just getting the house cleaned up and organized, finishing up Christmas prep. Yeah, I'm wearing my pajamas again. Sorry guys, I haven't gotten ready for my day yet. I need to sit down and film a bunch of sit-down videos where I just like talk to the camera on a tripod. There's my colonoscopy experience video that I still want to post. There is my goals for 2019. Some of you expressed interest in hearing what my goals are, so I'm going to sit down and film that, hopefully. What to expect from my channel in the new year, if I get a chance to film that. I need to sit down and map all of that out still. So that'll probably be coming next week. My plan is to not film any videos at all next week while my family's home. Other than vlogging Monday and Tuesday to finish up my Vlogmas series, I'm trying really hard to not plan a bunch of filming and editing and stuff while my family's home. I just want it to be family time. So any videos that you guys see next week outside of the vlogs are going to be pre-filmed videos. I really want to get back into the habit of posting on my channel more regularly, not just like vlogs, but real videos. So you guys are going to see next week, provided I can get my act together and get it all filmed this week, my kind of sit down chit chatty videos, and then starting in the new year I'll go back to my regular content. It's going to be, well, I don't want to tell you what it's going to be because you're going to see in that video, but if all goes to plan it should be really good stuff. So fingers crossed that everything goes well this week and I can get all of that done, but still lots of Christmas prep, lots of stuff to do. So that when my family is home all next week, we can just enjoy the holiday, we can enjoy each other, and then we can start the new year off with a bang after that. So that's my plan, but it's going to make for a busy, busy week this week, and maybe not necessarily an interesting week for you guys, because it's just going to be lots of work here at home, like housewifey, homemaker stuff, and YouTube stuff. So I'll show you guys what I can, of course, but it's like major crunch time. So I am still drinking my coffee, even though it's 11:30. I haven't gotten myself dressed yet. I've just been like work, trying to get this house cleaned up because it was trashed. I had a rough day yesterday with the kids in terms of just like teen drama. So kind of decompressing from that a little bit. And just like typical Monday rush, I have to clean out my pantry, clean out my fridge, get my grocery list done so that I can do the grocery shopping tomorrow. So yeah, it's a busy day. Whew, all right. Coffee break's over. I'm gonna get back to work. All right, so I just sat down in my planner for a little bit and wrote up my little to-do list for today and planned ahead a few things for the week, mostly in the mornings. The way that I have been setting up my planner recently is just like any appointments or things that I have to do go in the section like sort of like morning, afternoon, evening, and then I just build in stuff around it. Like in this case I put what I have done this morning. I had a little YouTube binge and I planned my week. This is my to-dos for the day because this is the kind of midday is when I'm going to take care of the bulk of this. And then this is just kind of what I want to do this evening. I don't always set it up kind of morning, afternoon, evening. It kind of changes day to day. I'd be interested, would you guys be interested in seeing a plan with me video? I haven't done a plan with me video in a really long time because it didn't seem like people were all that interested. But I've just started using my planner again with stickers. For a long time I was simply doing it in ink, and some weeks I still do it in ink. Some stuff is still just no stickers, bare bones, like This past weekend, for example, I simply just wrote everything out that I wanted to do. It just kind of goes day to day depending on how I'm feeling and what I need to get done. But if you guys would be interested in seeing a plan with me video, that's something I'm considering bringing back occasionally in the new year. It's kind of one of the things that I need to brainstorm. Like, seriously, what videos am I going to be bringing you guys in the new year? I'm considering lots of different things, and one of the things I'm considering are plan with me's. Not probably every week, but just occasionally. So let me know if you guys would be interested in seeing that. And also any other videos that you'd be interested in seeing. I ask you guys for video suggestions all the time. I always take what you guys have to say into account, so definitely if you have something you wanted to request or suggest, leave it down below in the comments. So do you guys remember when I went to that pearl party at my aunt's house at the end of November? I just got my little order. Now, I did not order a huge amount of stuff. I ordered one little thing. It was a pair of pearl earrings, because I thought it would be nice to treat myself with a little something. And these are them. They're teeny tiny, which I love. They're super dainty, and I'm going to be able to wear them with anything. I don't wear a ton of jewelry, so when my aunt invited me to this party, I was like, I don't know, you know, I don't really wear jewelry, but I thought a pair of little stud earrings would be perfect. I could support her party. You know, it's that type of party where if you sell so much stuff, then you get rewards, and she was close to a reward tier, so I didn't want to order nothing. So I just ordered these little pearl earrings, and I think they are super cute. So I got those in the mail today, and then I also just got a little package from Kohl's here. I believe this is something that I ordered using my Kohl's cash for the boys' Christmas stockings. So I'm going to open this up and show you guys what's in here. So I picked up these. They were on sale for, I think, $5 each. And they're just little quiz cards. You guys know that Austin's heavy into his quiz bowl, so he loves trivia. And he's a big gamer, so I got him the gaming quiz. And then Robbie, who is a TV fanatic, got the TV quiz game. And these are just going to go in their stockings. I had some Kohl's cash that I wanted to use up. We just paid off our Kohl's credit card, so we're trying to avoid shopping at Kohl's. And I knew if I had that Kohl's cash in my wallet, I was going to go there and end up spending way more than, you know, what I wanted to. So I just picked these up. I got free shipping. That Kohl's cash is gone now. I don't have to go back to Kohl's for a while. But I didn't have to let that Kohl's cash go to waste. So picked those up for the boys, and I think they're going to enjoy those. I made myself a huge omelet for my first meal of the day today. I was going to call it breakfast, but it's almost 1 o'clock in the afternoon, so brunch, I guess. I had all kinds of the leftover filling from our Philly cheesesteaks the other night. It's just the sizzler steaks and mushrooms, onions, and bell pepper. And I didn't really want to have it as a sandwich. I just wasn't feeling it, so I threw it in a pan with some eggs. Made myself a huge omelet. This is 3 eggs. I don't think I'll be able to eat all of this, but if not, I'll just save half and have the other half tomorrow or something. Or I'm sure that Robbie, when he comes home, would finish it for me. He's great for that. So yeah, that's my first meal of the day. I know it looks really gross, but it tastes really yummy. I threw some mozzarella cheese in there as well. Hi guys, Yummy. It's Tuesday. I am currently sitting on my couch procrastinating, filming my grocery haul and putting groceries away. Because I don't want to do it. I don't want to do anything. I want to go back to bed, but I have way too much to do today to do that. So I went and did my grocery shopping this morning. I stayed within my budget for the most part. I'm going to be upping my budget, I think, for the new year because I always go over. Maybe not on my first trip of the week, like on Tuesdays, I tend to stay within my budget, but then we pick up things here and there throughout the week and it shoots me up over my budget. So my husband and I have been talking about it. We're going to raise our budget, I think, because we say we're going to spend $100 a week, but that's for groceries and household items and pet care stuff, and that's just not reasonable. So we're going to be raising that up, I think. I'm going to do a whole video, I think, talking about my budget. If you guys say that you're interested in that, I want to start doing more budgeting videos because one of our main goals for the new year is sticking to our budget, paying off debt. I'll talk about that more in my 2019 goals video if I ever get that filmed. I wanted to do that yesterday, and yesterday just flew by. I feel like I didn't even vlog most of the day yesterday. I haven't looked at that footage yet, but I can't even remember if I picked up the camera last night. It was just a crazy busy day. And today's gonna be more of the same, but first I need to get up off my butt and actually film my grocery haul, because all the groceries are sitting there thawing out. And I'm sitting here thawing out too. It's cold outside today. Hey guys, so I think that the last thing I said to you was that I didn't have time to take a nap. Well, then I got a terrible migraine and ended up laying in bed for a couple hours anyway. It came on out of nowhere, and I've been laying in the dark, and it's still not going away, so that stinks. But I'm gonna try to brew a cup of coffee and have some lunch and see if that helps any. I think I'm going to hold off on video editing because I think that's just gonna make the migraine worse. And I'm going to combine yesterday's footage with today's footage and just skip putting up a vlog for today. It's not ideal, it's not what I'd like to do, but it's what I'm going to do. So, just don't think that staring at the computer screen is going to help the migraine at all. So, I'm going to put together a sandwich or something for lunch, eat that, take some migraine medication, and go back to bed. Alright, you guys, so lunch is just a turkey and Munster cheese sandwich on 12 grain bread with some of these ultra thin pretzel sticks from Walmart. Oh, you guys, what a day. So, I was supposed to take Eric's mom, and we were going to go and get everything we need for our Christmas dinner later on. No, not later on this week, early next week. We have our fancy schmancy Christmas dinner on Christmas Eve. But this headache is just killing me. So Eric went to take her to do that. They're going to get the prime rib and everything that we need for that. Luckily, he was willing to take her, so he's off doing that. I'm going to throw together dinner, and I'm so grateful to myself for picking up something easy. We're going to have these prefab Salisbury steak things. I'm just going to throw them in the oven, and that's going to be dinner. $3.75 for 50 minutes, so I'm going to get those in now because it's 5:45 already. And hopefully by the time they're done, Eric will be home, we can eat, and then I can go to bed early because this headache is still lingering. It just will not go away. And yeah, humongous mess behind me. No laundry got done today. Nothing got done today. It's just a disaster. It is what it is. Alright, so here's our easy peasy dinner. Some prefab Salisbury steaks, some potatoes from a pouch with some of the gravy, and some corn from a steamer bag. Easiest dinner ever.